Hey everyone! Today let's learn how to perform a bulk data replacement in Power BI's Power Query using just one clean M-code step. This technique is much more efficient than stacking multiple individual replacement operations. Step 1. Load data. First, in Power BI Desktop, navigate to the Home tab and click Transform Data to open the Power Query editor with your table loaded. Why a single step? We aim to use a single step, specifically the table.replaceValue function. Why? Fewer steps mean lower maintenance, faster query refresh times, and a cleaner query structure, as it handles all substitutions in one go. Step 2. The M-code solution. To implement this, click the Advanced Editor in the Home tab. We are going to replace the code for your current transformation step with the following table.replaceValue function. Equals table.replaceValue source each if status equals none, then none, else if status equals low, then low, else if status equals medium, then medium, else if status equals high, then high, else status, replacer.replace text, and status. Here's a quick breakdown of the core components. The each keyword applies the subsequent expression row by row. The if-then-else structure maps the four lowercase values to their proper capitalized forms, and crucially returns else status if no match is found, ensuring other data is untouched. Replacer.replace text is the function that performs the text substitution on the specified column. Step 3. Check and apply. After pasting the code and clicking Done, review the status column in the preview pane to immediately confirm that all the bulk replacements were correct. Finally, back into your Power BI model. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.